Hey guys, just wanted to go over a few things, just how to do Social Studies Weekly online. We're going to go back to those to wrap up the year a little bit, and everything is available digitally. We have not used that much since we had the wonderful newspapers ourselves, but at this point, you need to be able to navigate. I've logged in as a student. It's becoming springtime, so I'm gonna sit here and do a little watering, growing some flowers, beautiful. And what you are going to do is look for your Social Studies Weekly. And so when you go to this and find it and click on it, we have all of the weeks available, which is going to be helpful for the remainder part of the year and even a project we're going to do at the end, hopefully. You're going to scroll down and look for fifth grade and choose that. Once you go to fifth grade, it will show each of the weeks here. And even though we did several of these weeks throughout the year, we did not do them digitally. We are going to go all the way down here to week 29, and you'll remember this. I've listed it, but also you can see there's a test at the end of the week we're going to do. It also shows coins that you can accumulate, which I'll show a little bit of that. But you just go to week 29 and start continue reading, even though you are just starting. And what you're going to do here is you see the outline. I have my friend Brennan. I've been borrowing his identity. So I will change back into Mr. Plano soon. You see here the different articles. What you're going to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is sort through these, go through these. You're going to watch the brain pop on Ronald Reagan on Monday and then do this first article. When you get and click on this first article, you will see there is a video you can watch tied to some of this. So on some days I do say watch the video. They're only about 2 minutes long. Not every article has a video. So you'll see each day whether or not I want you to watch a video. That being said, you have this option where they can read it to you or read aloud while you follow along, which is wonderful for some of you. You could turn adjust the speed here. So what you need to know is as you are reading here, you have this article, you have the different articles along the side. This is going to be where you take your test at the end of the week after you do some reading. If you hit this box, this is reader mode, so it'll pop it out so you can read it more easily, which is what I would recommend. And so you have this, you can click and listen and follow along. And so you'll do this first article on Monday, reading about Ronald Reagan, just reviewing a little bit things related to the Cold War and what's going on. When you get out of here and you'll go down here, you'll see here is just a quick little review. These are a way you can accumulate some coins, and those coins can be turned in for very valuable things like a brand new car or a house, real deal things. So just do those quickly. They're not graded, but you're really only doing this on Monday, and then the next day you're going to do the end of the Soviet Union, Reagan and Gorbachev, watch a video. You have bonus sources here. If you see that there, you can actually watch a few other videos. So the ones I've assigned here related to the Cold War and related to the Berlin Wall. But as you do this, you can go back to the articles and read. It's just the navigation here throughout the week. I'm dividing it up so it won't take too long each day, a max of about 15 minutes, 20 at the most each day, and that's what we'll do for social studies. So we're going to pace ourselves through this. At the end of the week, on Thursday, you're going to take the test. When you take the test, you'll see it'll be randomized for each student, but here this is a fill in the blank answer. Here it says check all that applies, so you're going to want to choose one or maybe more than one. You go down here, multiple choice, multiple choice. Here is a box. Why was it an atmosphere of celebration when the wall came down? You actually type your answer in here to construct a response. Doesn't have to be super long. Multiple choice, and here the image is taken away, but this is also a multiple choice and finish the test. Not too hard. I took out a few open-ended typing ones just so it didn't take too long. But that's how the Social Studies Weekly is going to work. We're going to navigate through several of these to wrap up the year. If you have any questions, let me know, but it should be pretty easy to navigate. So enjoy.